Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn configuration of OSPFv3 with IPv6 address family. Let us start our configuration. First of all, we will put IP addresses for all our interfaces. I will start from R1, configure terminal, int loopback 0, IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 1 double colon 1 slash 64 IPv6 address fe80 double colon 1 link local. int f0/0 IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 12 double colon 1 slash 64 IPv6 address fe80 double colon 1 link local. And no shut. In the same way, I will configure other IP addresses on second and third router. On R2, configure terminal, int f0/0, no shut, IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 12 double colon 2 slash 64 IPv6 address fe80 double colon 2 link local. int f0/1 no shut IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 23 double colon 2 slash 64 IPv6 address fe80 double colon 2 link local. int loopback 0 IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 2 double colon 1 link local / 64 IPv6 address FE80 colon 2 link local. In the same way, I will configure the IP addresses of R3. Configure terminal int f0/1 no shut IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 23 double colon 3 / 64. int loopback 0 IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 0 colon 3 double colon 1 / 64 and IPv6 address FE80 double colon 3 link local. int f0/1 IPv6 address FE80 double colon 3 link local. We have completed our first step. Now I will check the connectivity from my middle router. Ping yes, our ping is working. Sorry. Now I will ping router 3 from router 2 in the same way. Ping IPv6 2001 colon db8 colon 0 double colon 0 colon 23 double colon 3. So this is also working. In the next step, we will configure OSPFv3 on all 3 routers. Exit router OSPFv3 1 address family IPv6 unicast router ID 1.1.1.1 exit. Now we will activate OSPF on our interfaces. Interface F0/0 OSPF v3.1 IPv6 area 0. In the same way, on our loopback interface, OSPF v3.1 IPv6 area 0. In the same way, I will configure the other two routers. Config T IPv6 unicast routing, router OSPF v3.1, address family IPv6 unicast, router ID 2.2.2.2, exit address family int F0/0, int range F0/0, L0 F0/1, OSPF v3.1 IPv6 area 0. We activated OSPF v3 on all three interfaces with one command. Next, our one neighbor comes up. Next, we will configure the third router IPv6 unicast routing, router OSPF v3.1, address family IPv6 unicast, exit address family, we have to define router ID here, router ID 3.3.3.3, exit address family, int range F0/1, L0, OSPF v3.1 IPv6 area 0. Now the other link also comes up. We can check the connectivity through OSPF from our middle router. Show OSPF v3 neighbors. Show OSPF v3 neighbors. We can see our both neighbors. One is router 1 and other is router 2. Now we will confirm our configuration. by checking the routing table. Show IPv6 route OSPF. We may see here the two routes coming from R1 and R2. In the same way, we will check our routing table or on R1. Show IPv6 route OSPF. Here all three routes are available, and now we will go to our third router. Show IPv6 route OSPF. So we have configured the topology properly. We should optimize OSPF now. Now we will configure our loopback interfaces as passive interfaces in OSPF router OSPFv3 passive interface loopback 0. In the same way, on R2 configure terminal router OSPFv3 passive interface loopback 0. Configure terminal router OSPFv3 passive interface loopback 0. Our interfaces are connected with other routers in point-to-point style. Therefore, we do not need to configure DR or BDR to prevent our routers from electing DR and BDR. We will put these interfaces into point-to-point network. For this purpose, we will go to the interface configuration mode, interface F0/0, IP OSPF, network IPv6 OSPF network point to point. In the same way, on the other routers, we will put and define these interfaces as point to point, int range F0/0, F0/1, IPv6 OSPF network point to point. In the same way, we will configure the third router, int F0/1, IPv6 OSPF network point to point. Now we will check our neighbors again in OSPF from our middle router. Show OSPFv3 neighbors. Here we can see that there is no entry for DR or PDR because these are connected as point to point, and we have stopped the DR PDR election. At the end, I will show you again the first page with important configuration and optimization commands. Thank you for watching.